Hello, welcome back to our channel Super SRINIVAS. Today physics topic is topic is wave motion. Eamcet. In chemistry, solid state completed, solutions completed, electrochemistry running, and mathematics complex numbers completed, De Moivre's theorem is running. In physics, thermal properties of matter just somewhat completed. Wave motion. Now wave motion introduction. Today there are two ways of transportation of energy. How many? Two ways of transporting energy. Two ways to transporting the energy from the place where it is produced to the place where it is desired to utilized. First, the involving is actual transport of matter. For example, bullet fired from a gun carries the kinetic energy. A bullet fired from a gun carries its kinetic energy. With it is used at another location. Used to. With it used to locate another location. Next, second method is by energy transported is much more useful and important. Okay, much useful and important. Involves that called as wave process. We call as wave process. Okay, two ways of transporting the energy. Actual transporting of matter is bullet fired from a gun carries its kinetic energy at which we find the another location. Next, second method is transported is much more useful and transported involves we call as wave process. These we call as wave process. Wave is disturbed. Wave means this is a wave. This is a wave. Wave is disturbed by propagating in a space. In a space, the wave is propagating transported energy and momentum from one point to the another point. Transported energy and momentum to one point to another point. This one point to another point. One point to another point. This is like transporting the energy and momentum. From one point to the another point is called as transfer of matter. This takes place transfer of matter. Transport of matter. Next, waves are everywhere everywhere reorganized knot. We encountered waves on daily basis. Sound wave and visible light wave, radio wave. Waves are sound wave. Visible light wave, visible light wave, radio wave. Ripples on water surface, ripples on water surface. Then earthquake wave, waves and waves on string are just a few examples of waves. Next, dimensional, number of dimensions. The wave, it means the propagated energy. Next, waves moves along the strings one end to the ripples on the liquid surface of the second end, and these are third end. Next, types of wave. Here, types of wave. Types of wave. Wave can be classified into number of waves followed category. First, on the basis of necessity of medium. First one, mechanical wave. Mechanical wave. Required medium. There are propagating example waves on string and spring. Waves on water surface, sound waves, seismic wave. Next, non-mechanical wave. Second one is non-mechanical wave. Non-mechanical wave do not require the medium for the propagation. Is example of electromagnetic wave like light, heat and radio wave. Radio wave and gamma rays and X-rays, etc. Okay. Next, on the basis of vibration, vibrating particles. Vibration of particle. On the basis of vibration of a particle medium, waves can be classified into transverse wave and longitudinal wave. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Super SRINIVAS. Don't forget to subscribe. Listen our classes daily. Eamcet prepare it from this day.